Welcome back to TFacts! Today, we've got a lineup of intriguing stories that delve into the world of celebrity legal drama, with a focus on the latest updates surrounding AAP Rocky and Rihanna. Let's jump right into it! Next, Rihanna has stepped into the spotlight once again, this time showing her unwavering support for Rocky by attending his trial. In this segment, we'll discuss her courtroom presence and what it signifies as Rocky confronts charges that could drastically change their lives. Moving on, we tackle a controversial issue that has emerged during the trial: the use of sensitive language in court. The courtroom dynamics have sparked significant conversation, with legal professionals weighing in. We'll analyze the implications of this debate and what it reveals about the proceedings. And lastly, we'll revisit the courtroom drama as AAP Rocky's accuser takes the stand for further cross-examination. This emotional testimony brings new revelations to light as we examine the complexities of friendship and betrayal within this high-profile case. Stay tuned as we break down each of these stories, provide updates, and dive into what they mean for both AAP Rocky and Rihanna's future. Rihanna and AAP Rocky were recently spotted enjoying a date night in Los Angeles. Despite the backdrop of ongoing legal issues for the rapper, this public appearance comes as Rocky faces serious allegations related to firearm offenses, setting the stage for a complex interplay between their personal lives and his legal battles. The couple has been together since November 2022, and this recent outing saw them walking hand-in-hand, radiating confidence under the Los Angeles lights. AAP Rocky donned a stylish long trench coat that has become a staple in his wardrobe as he navigates these challenging times. Underneath, he wore a professional suit complemented by dark shades along with eye-catching accessories including a shining ring and earrings. Rihanna, the acclaimed singer and fashion icon, matched the casual vibe with a denim outfit, a pair of well-fitted jeans paired with a denim top rounded off with a long leather jacket and black-rimmed glasses. Her hair flowed freely, and she opted for a natural makeup look that accentuated her beauty. While they enjoyed their date night, the shadow of Rocky's ongoing trial looms large. The allegations against him involve an incident where he allegedly fired shots at his former friend, AAP Rally, 4 years ago. The prosecution has put forth compelling evidence, including critical video footage showing Rocky allegedly armed, although the actual weapon has never been recovered. Rocky's legal team maintains his innocence, arguing that extensive searches conducted by police return no evidence, asserting that thorough investigative work was executed. With a potential 24-year prison sentence hanging in the balance for the 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, the stakes couldn't be higher. Interestingly, this high-profile case also delves into how Rocky's celebrity status influences jury perception. During jury selection, Superior Court Judge Mark Arnold reminded the jurors that Rocky's fame, alongside that of his partner Rihanna, should not sway their judgment either positively or negatively. As this couple navigates the complex intersection of love, family, and the law, we'll continue to keep you updated on how this trial unfolds and what it means for their future. Stay tuned for more insights right here on TFacts. In a powerful show of support, Rihanna made headlines as she attended AAP Rocky's trial in Los Angeles. The singer, who shares 2 children with Rocky, was seen for the first time in the courtroom on January 29. A significant moment as legal proceedings continue to unfold in the case against her partner. Rihanna, dressed in an elegant all-black ensemble, arrived at court with her security detail making a strong statement of solidarity. She sat in the gallery alongside Rocky's mother and sister, highlighting her unwavering support amid a highly publicized and emotionally charged trial. This appearance comes after she had been absent from the proceedings when they officially commenced on January 23. Rocky faces serious charges, including 2 felony counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, stemming from an incident that occurred in November 2021. The allegations state that he fired shots at his childhood friend, Terell Ephron, also known as AAP Rally. Rally claimed that these shots grazed his knuckles, igniting a complex legal battle that could potentially see Rocky facing up to 24 years behind bars if convicted. The trial has been particularly captivating, not only due to the high-profile nature of the individuals involved, but also because of the implications it has on public perception and celebrity status. During jury selection, an alarming exchange occurred when the deputy district attorney posed a question regarding Rihanna's presence in the courtroom to a prospective juror. Would seeing a celebrity influence their ability to deliver an impartial verdict? This raised eyebrows and spurred discussions about the intersection of fame and justice. As Rihanna continues to stand by her partner, the emotional stakes couldn't be higher. The love they share is evident, and her courtroom presence speaks volumes about their relationship, especially as they navigate the complexities of parenthood with their young sons, RZAs and Riot Rose. We'll keep a close eye on this case as it progresses and provide you with all the latest news on their journey. Stay tuned for more details as the trial unfolds right here on TFacts. Next, we dive into a controversial aspect of A$AP Rocky's ongoing trial, the use of sensitive language in the courtroom, specifically the N-word. This issue has sparked significant discussion both inside and outside the courtroom as various legal representatives, including non-black attorneys, have used the term while reading from text messages exchanged between A$AP Rocky and A$AP Relly during the proceedings. The charges against Rocky involve an alleged incident where he is accused of firing shots at Relly, which has led to a series of testimonies that are now under scrutiny. As details of the case emerged, certain text messages featuring the N-word were presented as evidence, resulting in an uncomfortable yet necessary conversation about race, language, and courtroom decorum. Legal professionals and onlookers alike have expressed their concern over the appropriateness of non-black individuals using the term in this context. Journalist James Quealy from the Los Angeles Times and legal affairs commentator Megan Cuniff took to social media to voice their unease, highlighting the discomfort felt by many when the term was read aloud in court. Cuniff noted that unlike other high-profile cases, there seemed to be little to no hesitation among the attorneys involved in using this slur during testimonies. The discussion extends beyond mere courtroom etiquette. It raises important questions about the role of language in legal proceedings and the potential impact it may have on jury perceptions. Civil rights experts have weighed in, clarifying that while it may be essential to read unaltered text messages for clarity and accuracy in legal records, there should be an understanding of the sensitivities surrounding such terms. As we reflect on these complex dynamics, it becomes evident that the trial is not just a legal battle but also a societal one that challenges norms and expectations regarding race, respect, and representation in the judicial system. We'll continue to monitor this aspect of the trial closely and keep you informed of any developments in the ongoing conversation about courtroom decorum and the implications of language used in these high-stakes cases. Make sure to stay with us for the latest updates right here on TFacts. And lastly, we turn our attention to the courtroom drama itself as A$AP Rocky's accuser, Terell Ephron, also known as A$AP Relly, returned to the stand for further cross-examination. This emotional testimony has offered a glimpse into the complicated relationship between the two men who were once close friends. On the witness stand, Relly recounted the alleged shooting incident from 2021, claiming that Rocky pointed a gun at him during a confrontation in Hollywood. The details of his testimony have raised questions about his credibility and the circumstances surrounding the event. Relly himself acknowledged the passage of time, stating, "My story may have changed over the past 3 years, but my fading memory doesn't change what fundamentally happened." As he recounted the alleged moments of terror, Relly described how a gun was pulled on him, emphasizing the gravity of the situation. He claimed that Rocky threatened him, saying he was going to kill him, a statement that portrays a starkly different picture of their past friendship. However, under intense cross-examination from Rocky's attorney, Joe Tacopina, Relly faced challenges regarding inconsistencies in his narrative, particularly in his recollection of the events. Relly's testimony was not without its dramatic moments. During questioning, he broke courtroom decorum, expressing his frustration towards Rocky directly, shouting, "You did this to yourself!" This outburst underscores the emotional weight of the proceedings and the personal stakes involved. The judge admonished Relly, reminding him of the decorum expected in the courtroom as tensions flared. Rocky, sitting calmly at the defense table, has maintained his innocence, asserting that he did not fire a weapon at Relly and claiming the gun in question was a starter pistol carried for safety. With the possibility of a 25-year prison sentence looming over him, Rocky's fate now rests in the hands of the jury, who will have to navigate the conflicting testimonies and emotional expressions of the involved parties. As this gripping trial unfolds, we'll keep you informed on all developments and insights from the courtroom. The complexities of friendship, betrayal, and justice create a narrative as compelling as any scripted drama, and we'll continue to cover every twist and turn right here on T.